Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you Hailuo AI X Minimax quick demo tutorial. Now, our first thing you should do is to simply go to the link that I will leave down below in the description. You will see this page. But first, when you open it, you may find that the language is in Chinese. So you have to add an extension like this one right here, or add Google Translate extension right here and translate the page into English. And after that, you will have to click on create video. Then it will jump you directly to this page. Now, what you should do is to simply type any prompt in order to describe the video that you need, or you can simply go to this discover section and discover many videos that others have created. Now, let me show you an example. Now I'm gonna type any prompt. So now I'm gonna type a white dragon with blue eyes and 4 wings attacking a phoenix, for example. Then I'm gonna click on this button right here. Now here, as you can see, it will ask me to continue with Google or sign in with my account. So I'm gonna sign in. Then after that, as you can see, I can click on this icon right here. And here, as you can see, it will show you here in the mine section that is the video is being generated. And this process will take a couple of minutes. And be careful creating any one of these videos with prompts. It will cost you some coins from this one right here. So you will have to upgrade to a paid plan in order to get many numbers of this coin and create as many videos as you want. And down below right here, it will show you the number of jobs in queue. You can create more than one video at the same time, but the website itself will put them in a queue. So it will tell you just right here how many jobs are in queue right now, or how many videos are in queue right now. And you can also increase it by subscribing to the website. Now, as you can see, after finishing the video, you will find the video right here. You can simply download it by clicking on this icon, or you can delete it if you want by hovering over these 3 dots, then click on delete. But now I'm gonna see it. Now here, as you can see, it will add the video without any kind of sound. The video isn't that bad. It actually made nearly what I asked. But here, as you can see, you have the watermark. And keep in mind that this is the beta version. So this website may develop over years and improve itself. Now I'm gonna go back. You can also copy the same prompt in order to get the same video. You can click on this X icon in order to go back. And here you will find all the videos that you have made in the mine section. And you can find more in the discover. You can also click on subscribe right here. And here it will show you exactly how much does subscribe. And actually, guys, this is not an advertisement, but I'm just demonstrating some things about the website. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.